Welcome to another loud race. This one's PMP Amstel against WCC axle grinders. And the route that we're going to be racing on today is the London Loop. And we've raced this team previously at Boxhill before. And we know that they've got quite a strong team, especially Lars. If you look at the head-to-head, there's not a great deal in it. But we'll see how this one goes.
Okay. Well, we need to drop Rocket Man and Freeman on the climb.
Yeah, that will be good. But we don't know what Lars is going to do in it. He might just go off, or he might just stick with the group.
I think he'll stick with the group, but they have got a 60-kilo rider as well, so we need to make sure we don't drop ourselves either by dropping the other two.
It'll be good if he just goes off, I reckon.
The key to this is to get to that climb as a group. We'll just have to defend attacks. They attacked twice last time, I think, once or twice. I think one I instigated it by mistake.
Oh, good luck, guys.
Good luck, everyone. 10 seconds.
Rocket Man, he's the punchy one. He's just bitten at the back. Watch out, he must something.
Can you mark Rocket, Paul?
Yeah, he's behind me at the moment. Well, remember these they went on the downhills?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, around there, yeah.
My Zwift is playing up. It's showing me like I'm 4 seconds behind everyone.
You should be on the group. You're with us.
Yeah, it just flickered to. It was doing it in the last ride, but I thought it was because of late joins.
Ah, shit. I didn't get a feather.
Oh no, I got draft.
Yeah, I got that as well.
This is where they might attack.
Yeah. Hang on a bit with that.
Yeah. I'm just pulling this up. Gonna rein this in.
I'm just going. No.
These are first touch Roberto. Freeman's the one we don't really want. Creeping ahead. They're attacking a little bit. We need to bridge. Let's keep off the front.
What are we doing now?
Lars is pushing.
That's going to drop me now.
Shall I leave and go?
Someone dangle for Paul. I need to cover front attacks.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, Paul, I'm coming back to you.
I'm going to go up the hill.
Wait,
Give a lightweight.
right, okay.
I've made him use his draft.
Brilliant.
Come on, Paul.
Watch out here. Off our key, Claudia.
We need to keep off the front. Let them work the front.
Okay.
The Royal British Legion gave me a life worth fighting for, reawakening that sense of worth.
Write your will for free today to protect your loved ones and give veterans like Naomi a fresh start.
I do now see that I do have life and my life is worth living. People like you gave me hope again.
Start writing your will for free today with the Royal British Legion. Search RBL Free Wills to find out more.
Right, the first part of the climb is the hardest.
Hey everybody, it's Simon Le Bon from Duran Duran, and our new single Free to Love featuring the legendary Nile Rodgers is finally here.
Come on.
Listen now on Spotify.
Let's see him on.
Focus your attention on the spot. When that spot has your full and complete attention, take a deep breath. Focus your attention on the spot. When that spot has your full and complete attention, take a deep
Lars is at the front.
That suits us. I mean, it's a really steady pace, but
Yeah.
just going to be whoever's got the best 7 or 8 minutes up the hill.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
I'm not really sure, to be honest, but we'll see.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
When you think you're done, push a bit harder. When you know you're done, keep going a bit more. And when you're convinced you're finished, that's where your last effort is.
And allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation. For just a few minutes, let your mind go blank.
I learned that yesterday when CJ and Alid wouldn't drop me. I had to keep squeezing out a bit more. It hurt, but felt rewarding.
Pretend that I'm filling this room with warm, relaxing air. Breathe in.
There is a slim chance they might attack just ahead of it, just to try and fatigue us prior to going into it.
With each breath, feel yourself becoming
If we have to react, we do, but we don't react more controlled, don't go full gas.
with each breath. Allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation. Feel the relaxation beginning at the bottom of your feet, gradually working upward until your entire body is relaxed. Feel the relaxation in your heels, feel the relaxation progressing upward into the calves.
All right, everybody, let's do this.
They're reacting.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Your name's not down, you're not coming in.
Vamos, Claudio.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Not tonight, you're not.
The pace is too strong, Ben.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Not tonight. Not on the list. Your name's not down, you're not coming. Your name's not down, you're not coming. Your name's not down, you're not coming. Not tonight, you're not on the list.
Come on, guys.
Your name's not down, you're not coming. Not tonight, you're not on the list. Your name's not down, you're not coming in. Your name's not down, you're not coming. Not tonight, you're not on the list. Your name's not down, you're not coming in. 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 Not tonight, you're not on the list. Your name's not down, you're not coming in.
Done with work? The best way to clear your mind is by listening to some crisp, clear tunes. Get Spotify Premium to enjoy your music now in lossless quality. It's your music with better sound quality. Listen in lossless, now included in Premium. Try it now.
Hey, get in the zone for your day. today with lossless listening on Spotify Premium.
I
Maybe your
can't push.
playlist is loaded with soothing ambient sounds
Recover
or
a bit,
gritty
go on.
hard rock. Lossless delivers the uncompromising quality you need to stay focused. Experience total clarity now with Spotify Premium.
Put your hair.
Oh, got my bloody towel.
$3K. Half of it done. Stick with Claudio.
Come on, Claudio. Come on, Claudio. Claudio, go, go, go.
Vamos, Claudio.
I need a slow pace from here.
Slow the pace.
I can't chase. Your guy.
Let them lead out, let them lead out.
Yeah.
Let them lead us out. Lars will go long. Probably 1K out.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Come on, Claudio. Pedal, 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 push, push, push.
Trying to push here.
I don't know, Lex. I'm done.
Should we react to Lars or should we let him go?
I haven't got it to go long.
Just let him go, yeah?
I'm going to sprint. I can't go long.
Okay.
What I can do,
Come on.
is go a bit faster and just try another 5 along attack.
Slow it down, please.
Yeah, I'm off. Lars is going to carry on. Lars is going.
Cheers, man! Well done, mate. I've gone second! Yeah!
Get in! Ah, shit.
Well done, mate.
Can't breathe. That's all.
That's one.
Come on, Cardio.
Oh.
Okay, picture this. You're out with friends, everyone's belting out a song, and you're the only one who doesn't know the words. Cringe. Never miss a beat again. Follow along with the lyrics on Spotify while you listen. You'll know all the words perfectly. Get back out there, sing along with confidence, and check out lyrics on Spotify.
Oh, great.
Right.